Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove payment gateway for product type simple in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. So this is our simple product. So we are going to remove payment gateway for simple product. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, scroll down on left side you see code snippet. Then you see add snippet. So click on it. Scroll down you see add your custom code. So again click on it. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see setting. So open it. Now go to WooCommerce setting and then you see payment. So click on it. Scroll down you see payment method. Now you see direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery. So click on any to find out payment gateway ID. Now in URL you see section is equal to COD. So COD is payment gateway ID. Now go to code snippet. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down you can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see product simple, false. Scroll down, you see if product is type simple. So this code is for simple product type. Now scroll down, you see remove cash on delivery payment gateway for simple product. Then we added COD. So this is payment gateway ID. Then you see PayPal, product simple. If you want to disable multiple payment gateway for product type, then you can use this. If you want, you can remove if. Now you see remove bank wire payment gateway for simple product. Now you see BACS, PayPal, COD. If you want, you can add more payment gateway condition. Just copy if condition and paste and then change payment gateway ID. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto install location, run everywhere. On top inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So this is conditional payment gateway. Now go to shop page. So this is our simple product type. So click on add to cart. Now go to checkout page. So click on it. Now click on review and payment tab. So click on it. Now you see this is our simple product type, and scroll down you see bank wire transfer and cash on delivery disable for simple product. Now you see only check payment enable. If you want to add variable product in cart page, then still cash on delivery and bank wire transfer disable for simple product because we added code for simple product. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.